Hey guys, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another Hobbit hole and it is number 18 Garden Smials. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into it. And I am left with like 2 or 3 left. I have 2 bag ends, like one's a bigger one and the other one is like the classic series or the open edition one. The open edition one, and I have the bigger one, the limited edition one. Yes, and this is number 18 Smials. I like this one, and then like I said before, I am trying to do the village of all the Hobbit holes. Really like to get that. Really like to get them all. Ooh, cool. As you can see there. Pretty cool. What's on that side? Oh, and that's the right up on the side there. If you want to pause the video there. The back. The other side. And back to the front. Okay, let's open this up. I am excited for this one. I love these guys. There we go. Perfect. And let me know down in the comments if you guys are collecting these Hobbit holes. They're such cool little environments. I really like them myself, as you know. And that's the bottom, so lift up from here. Perfect. Got a little foamies in there. Nice. It's like Christmas. Oh, loving this, guys. This is so cool. Oh, no. Paper. Oh, I see. Put a little foamy behind the tree. I like that, protecting the tree from damage. I like that. That's good. Oh, you guys, I cannot wait to give you some close-ups of this. This is so cool. Like, look at that. So cool. It is just awesome. And this one here is made by Leonard Ellis. Leonard Ellis, awesome. I love it. You can see the tree there. I'll show you some close-ups here in a bit. And I like everything about these. These are so cool. All the textures and all the intricate painting and all that they do on it. So awesome. I'm gonna show you some close-ups now. This is just unbelievable. Awesome. This is way too cool, guys. Look at that tree. I love, looks like this is in the autumn, in the fall. Nice orangey red colors of the tree and everything. And then the door. I like that little red bench and his mailbox. I like the bath. That is so cool. Let's see what's over there. Oh yeah, some barrels with leaves or whatever that's in there. I like that little red bench. That is so cool. And then of course the Hobbit door, firewood, all the leaves falling. That is so cool. All the little flowers too. Look at that. So cool. And the windows are just awesome as well. I love these. I really do. And then in typical fashion, just the back is nice and flat. Nothing on the back. It's just all the front facing stuff there. So cool. Awesome. And look at the mailbox there. So cool. And this little picket fence on the right there. And that is number 18 Smials. Garden Smials. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of 18 Garden Smials. Comment down below what you guys thought, and if you're going to be getting it, like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys in an upcoming video.